Hello everyone, and welcome back to Military Channel. Submarine, any naval vessel capable of propulsion both below and above the surface of the ocean. Submarines are very distinct from surface ships in terms of appearance and design, making this a unique capacity among warships. Submarines are generally used for military purposes and interests. Recently, Russia unveiled a concept for a ballistic missile submarine that may replace Borei-class submarines. Russian Navy now has 6 submarines capable of launching Bulava-missiles. Among others are Shchuka B-Class, Shchuka-Class, Yasen-Class, Lada-Class. Russia's submarine industry involves an expansive network of research, design, and production centers, which increasingly focused on export markets to stay afloat after the collapse of the Soviet Union. As economic prospects improved in the 2000s, the Russian government reincorporated the former Soviet naval industry as the state-owned United Shipbuilding Corporation USC, consolidating over 60 shipyards, design bureaus, and repair facilities under company control. Major shipbuilding and designing units of USC include Rubin Central Design Bureau for Marine Engineering, Malachit Central Marine Engineering Design Bureau, Northern Machine Building Enterprise Sevmash, and Zvezda State Machine Building Enterprise. Russian defense corporations have gone on a spree of unveiling one state-of-the-art system after another. In what could significantly level up Moscow's maritime power, the Russian ship design bureau Rubin has revealed its latest advanced submarine concept. The current generation of Russian weaponry, according to Russian President Vladimir Putin, are often years or even decades ahead of comparable foreign weapons. Rubin has unveiled a submarine proposal that will replace the most recent Borei-class in the Russian fleet. As their importance is emphasized, an ambitious new ballistic missile submarine has been revealed. The design, with hints of the latest Western thinking, represents the next generation after the Borei-class. Most striking about the design is that it has an angled outer hull with sloping sides and blended lines. It has a chine running all the way along the side, resembling a modern low observable aircraft. The vessel might serve as a mothership for the massive Surrogate V and a multi-purpose platform with adjustable vertical launch tubes for future payloads. Previous AUV designs for Rubin, which use the Surrogate name, have been designed as decoys and training devices. These are claimed to be able to replicate other submarine signatures. However, Surrogate V appears to be an anti-submarine warfare drone. It has a relatively large conformal sonar array and a pump jet propulsor, suggesting high underwater speeds. The angled outer casing is similar to the Type 212CD, which is built by Germany and Norway, and also by the British Dreadnought class in some ways. The angled outer hull is built against active sonar and is expected to be accompanied by outdated passive sonar stealth. This involved mounting the machinery on the rafts to isolate the noise. The boat is also expected to have anechoic coatings outside the pressure hull, which is extensively used in Russian submarines,